What's going on, guys? Back again with another video. So today I'm at Nathan's house. My brother, you may have seen him in a previous episode. He is gonna give me a hand with replacing my clutch, doing a CV boot, and I'm also gonna do a timing belt. So it's well overdue. I've been a bit sidetracked recently, but now I've got plenty of time to get stuck in, give this old girl some love. So I'll go show you what we're doing today.
So today we're going to rip the gearbox out of Ryan's Hilux, getting ready to do a clutch tomorrow. We can't do it all today because we need to get the flywheel machined. Hopefully the clutch comes out, the gearbox comes out, no hassles, and then we can start on the timing belt as well today. Fuck, these things are the best invention in the world. What are these sloppy head extensions? Can you get me out of Oh, why is this being a see the flex, all flex. Oh, there she goes.
Just use that.
Oh, don't be a fuck. Might have to pull the dump off. Yeah, man, look how rusted it is. Yeah, 12mm.
So it's been a little while since we've done a video, especially since I've done one with Nathan. Basically, we both used to work for the family business, Brisbane Hire. We both left there a little while ago. I was working at a gym. Nathan's got a new job on the ferries going to Moreton Island. I just quit the gym recently, and Nathan's working part-time, so we're going to have plenty of time to make some more tasty videos for our viewers. So starting off with this one, because it's been a little while since the Hilux has had some love. So got a couple of maintenance items that were a bit overdue, which are getting seen to now, and then we'll get back to the modifications and some full driving very soon.
Just fucking come out. It was ready to drop. I'm gonna need Alright, we off the motor? You guys got that?
Yep.
What's your depth, Ryan?
Yep.
Check the gull housing. Look at all the heat spots on it. You can see some minor heat cracks from the slipping of the clutch, but nothing that's not machinable. If you go on with a slipping clutch too long, you can get some proper gnarly cracks, and then you have to get another flywheel, but this will machine up fine. I've been out of the game.
So we're gonna get a mobile flywheel machinist to come out and sort out this guy.
Plan now is hopefully we can just get that flywheel machine first thing tomorrow, so then we can slap the gearbox back in, and then once the gearbox is all good, then we'll worry about time belt. I was going to try to do them both, but I'll just one task at a time, not bite off more than we can chew, and it should be all smooth sailing.
So we're packed up for today. It's getting a bit dark, so we're going to wrap it up there. We've got the gearbox out. We're going to order the guy to machine the flywheel tomorrow. We're going to do the timing belt tomorrow, and also the CV, because it is busted and there is CV juice everywhere. So that's going to do it for today. We'll see you in part 2.